Hello everyone, my name is Phong Nguyen. I'm from Vietnam, and right now I'm a master's student from Dongguk University at the beautiful city Seoul, South Korea. This is the demonstration video of my project, Remote Marker-Based Tracking for Accurate Drone Landing. And this is for the Qualcomm AI Contest 2017. Let's go! Let's take an example of the drone delivery mission in the city area. In the city like Seoul, there are so many high buildings blocked which weaken the GPS signal. At the far distance, we assume the scenario that the drone reached the destination area and begin the landing procedure to finish its mission. At the highest position, the GPS signal is available so that the drone starts landing using guidance from the satellite. However, as the drone gets closer to the ground, in case there is no GPS signal or the signal is too weak, then we need new algorithm to support the drone to finish its mission. In this project, we built an artificial intelligence AI based on convolutional neural network to predict the position of our unique design marker on each of the image captured from the camera on the drone. In order to train our AI to recognize and detect marker on the ground, we need training data. In my experiment, we collect about 30,000 images taken by the DJI Phantom 4 drone. First, we manually place the marker on the ground and take photos continuously. We took images in various places in Seoul City at different times in the day and under many weather conditions. I also designed two look-alike markers with our original design and manually placed them next to it. By doing so, we hope our AI works well in the real environment. Conventional CNN require huge amount of resource to compute, so it is impractical to use them in this situation. So that we choose a lightweight CNN architecture called MobileNet SSD with a little bit sacrifice of performance. By doing so, we successfully implemented marker detection AI on the latest Qualcomm AI chip Snapdragon 835 processor and achieved real-time processing speed. This is the result video on the unseen data.